Hey, I haven't used this camera in a while, so it's kind of dirty. A little bit of dust on the lens. Okay, I think it's fine though. It took me like 2 minutes to figure out how to even start this camera because I did not remember. Also, my camera, it's on this like wooden piece where we have a bunch of family photos. I don't know, can I show you? I am gonna go through my closet. I have a lot of clothes. I brought up like basically all my clothing up here with me. I hope you guys like this video. I don't know who's gonna watch this, considering I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but considering the fact that my audience is basically from 20 to like 35-year-olds, I don't know which one of yous are going to like this one. I really enjoy watching videos like this. And if you 30-year-olds don't like this video, then maybe it comes across for somebody who does like it. Maybe it can bring in a more girl audience. That would be kind of awesome. I think it could be really fun to just kind of explore and see like what that could bring. I just want to try it all, see what sticks and what does not stick, and what I enjoy and what I don't enjoy. I really like fashion. I like looking at what other people wear and what's trending, what's gonna be trending, what's out. I really enjoy that, but I feel like it's not really the brand that I have created for myself. Obviously, it's heavily gaming focused, and I love video games, don't get me wrong. But I feel like I would also really enjoy if I branch out and I do like other stuff. You know what I mean? I think I just want to try it all. I think influencing has many perks. Not only that it has great opportunities with like sponsors, you can earn a shit ton of money with it, but I think it can also be fun. And I think it's something that I could also enjoy. I know it's not really targeted towards the audience I have now, but I hope you guys will not hate it too much. Ooh. I'm gonna put up my hair and then we start to go through everything. I want to go through dresses today. So I'm gonna go, we put on a fucking dress. Also, I'm wearing, what are these called? Tights. I mean, I know I'm gonna keep this one because it's just a pretty dress in general, and it has shorts underneath. It even does have pockets. I think it's from Hollister. I'm not too sure actually, but it's a very nice dress. It's pretty, it's light, it's comfortable. We keep this one. Oh my god. This is such a sweet memory for me, this dress, because this is what I graduated in. I took my graduation in this dress. This is my graduation dress. If you don't know about graduation in Sweden, you're not required to wear white, but it's kind of the tradition to wear white, and then you wear like a sailor cap with it on. I do still have mine, but it's in like its box, so it does not get dirty. But I really like this one. It's flowy, it's airy, it's light, it's nice. I think I will keep it. It's just pure nostalgia, and it's a nice dress. Even though I would probably not wear it very often, but it's a nice dress. This is also a really nice dress. I cannot zip it up all the way though. I do need help to zip it up. I think I will keep it, but I think like maybe in a year or two it's not gonna fit me. But I'm gonna keep it until then, yeah. I already know I hate this one. My shorts are kind of visible underneath it, but I already know I hate this one. I hate this part, I hate this part. I know it's like, you can also find that out when you do like your color analysis or whatever. You can like find out what the like neck cut line works best for you. And I do think that like an open cut line, like where it shows like your collarbones and stuff, I do think that works the best for me. This is a no. Oh, this one, oh my god. I need to be like, I'm gonna try to maybe I can button the one furthest down, please. I can't. Okay, I give up. It's really pretty. It's a really nice feeling. It's like, I do think if you do not want to wear it to bed, I know it's usually like a freaking night sleeping gown. But I think if you pair this with like maybe a nice cardigan or a nice jacket or like a nice hoodie or something, I do think it can look very, very nice. Let me try that theory out. I can't find the hoodie that I want to wear, but I think if you dress it up pretty nicely, I think it can look very nice. I'll keep it. I don't think I've even worn it out. There's never been an occasion. We keep it. I'm kinda embarrassed about this one. It is, I don't think it even shows on the camera how strong in colors this is. This is like neon, almost. I think it actually is neon. This dress is the whole reason why I decided to even do this video. Because what the was I thinking? What the is this? Why did I think that, yeah, dude, this is a nice dress? Oh, now you can see it, I think. It's like such a neon color. It's too bright. I don't like how it looks. I don't like how it fits. It's too hot. I do not like this one. This is trash. Trash. This, I think, is probably one of my favorite dresses that I own. But the only problem is with this dress, I bought it when I was like 13, 14, which means that, how many years ago was that? What am I? I turned 24. It's almost 10 years. It's my favorite. I think it's such a, it fits very flattering. It's a flattering color. I'm not a pink. Usually I don't like pink, but I think this looks really good on me. And I never thought I would actually look good in pink, but I feel like it does. And the problem is right here. My boobs are too big. My chest. It's almost been 10 years. I'm a grown woman now. It does not fit like it used to. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep this for now. I just don't really wear it anymore, but I can't part with it. I'm not ready. We keep it. No, this is an absolute fucking no. This is awful. I hate it. I hate everything. The color is nice, but everything else I fucking hate. Trash. I'll let you guess if I like this one. Trash. Trash, 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 trash. This one I do really like. It's quite a long dress, which I do like. I do think it's a flattering color. It is quite nice that it's like more of a, what do you call this, tank top. I do think that's nice because it does quite get hot. Problem is, this is such a deep neckline that it just shows your entire bra. So it kinda, you kinda can't really wear a bra with it. I'm still gonna wear a bra with it. Let's not be ridiculous. I'm not gonna let the dress tell me when I should wear a bra or not. But yeah, I'm keeping it. Is my posture that bad? Keeping it. I think this one could be nice if you're like really tan, like if you are on vacation in the Bahamas. I think it could be nice, but it has the same problem. It just shows off the bra and the backside. Oh, the backside's not too bad actually, but still. I think maybe I am just too pale to wear this. I think I'm gonna keep it in case I go to the Bahamas on vacation and get a really good tan. I like the length of it. I hate this slit, but I'll keep it. Now this is a new dress that I got from ASOS. I don't remember the brand and I can't find it, but I bought it on ASOS. Shout out ASOS. I'm not sponsored by ASOS, but if you see this ASOS, hey, hit me up, okay? I do think it's really nice. I like it. I like the color of it. I like how flowy it is. It's very light. I feel like it could sit better around the waist. But I guess, you know, it's fine. It's fine. It's like the small details. But I do think it's like a really pretty dress though. So I'm definitely keeping this one. I got this as a birthday present, basically. But I'm keeping it. Keeping. Am I supposed to wear it like this? Oh, I'm supposed to wear it like this? No? I don't know how I'm supposed to wear this. It kind of looks like a grandma dress, no? Yet again, if you have a nice tan and honestly, I would probably never wear this. And yet again, I do think it would take up a lot of space in my closet, so I'm trash. Ugh. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna fit into this dress, to be honest. I think it sits way too high up. I think it's a nice dress otherwise though. I think I got this from Sarah, when I was in Stockholm, I believe, like many years ago. But I feel like it's too small. It is definitely, it's too small. So I'm throwing it away. I'm not throwing it away. I'm gonna like give it away. I don't know. Trash. I do think this is a nice dress. Just a casual going to the supermarket dress. Very casual. It's very light. It kind of reminds me of my pink dress a little bit. But I feel like it is nice. I'm gonna keep it. It's just a casual everyday dress, you know? I keep it. I think I'm done soon though, but holy shit, dude, I did not realize I had this many dresses. I knew I had a lot of clothes, but I think this is a nice dress. It's very date night, winter, fall, date night vibes. Candlelit, romantic dinner, glass of wine. It's not too long. It's very warm, it's like wool. And I do like the neckline of it. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. Possible dates with chat mom. Perfect. I found a beret too. Hold on, I have to sneeze. This is one of my favorite dresses. It's such a nice fabric. It's like really stretchy, so you can move around pretty freely in it. It is perfect for like a hot weather, and it is so you can dress it up a little bit. If it's like a party or something, you can still wear it, you know. But if you want to do it a little bit more casual, you can just throw something over. I think it's a perfect dress. I really like this one. Now my beret. I don't know why. Yeah, you can see how dusty it is. But I got an obsession with hats, if you don't know. Everything that has to do with hats that are a little bit unusual, I love it. I love weird hats. It's so tight. It's pushing my eyebrows. Ooh. I'll show you another one that I got. My parents got me this one when they were on vacation, actually. This one. You've probably seen it in the background of my streams maybe, but I really like this one. It's a little bit too big. I do have a really small head. Yeah, I do think it's a very nice hat though. Also, Paul got me this one. I don't remember if it was for my birthday or if it was for Christmas, but he got me this one. Obviously I am a Timo main. It's a bit too big though. It's just, I just keep it as decoration basically in the background of my stream. Oh helvete, I almost got stuck on a nail. Yeah, I really like this one. You throw it over with some cardigan or something, you know, jacket. I really like this one. I think it looks great. I would wear it with the cardigan. It's a little bit too bare for me, but it's good. Keep. I think I got this one from ASOS too. I really like the colors of this one. It is a little bit old-fashioned, I think you call it, but I do think it's really nice. I do really like the colors, and I like it obviously, but the problem is here again. You see the bra. I don't know if it's just me or maybe I got taught that or something, but you're not supposed to see the bra. Then it's not like, doesn't fit right or looks good. I want to keep this on. I want to wear it out, but I just don't know where. I think that this is the last dress. But I am very happy with a lot of the dresses that I do have. And I think this might be the only time that you're going to see it. Maybe in future videos like this, or Instagram pictures maybe. A lot of them I'm just never going to wear on stream for obvious freaking reasons. I do not want to be sexualized. I just want to wear pretty clothing that I feel really pretty in. But you can't really do that because then you get sexualized, and I don't want to be known as a titty streamer who shows the tits for the views, because that is not what I'm trying to do. Respect to the people who do that, but that is just not for me. I just want to look pretty in the dresses that I do wear. Does that make sense? I think that's it. If you enjoyed this, please let me know down in the comments, because then I might do other ones, because I have a lot of skirts and shorts, a lot of tops. This might be the only video that I ever make like this. I don't know. But you guys have a good one. Remember to use code Dorozea for 10% off your Gamer Subs purchase. Goodbye everyone.